Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of gold and silver. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And finally, we saw some correction or retracement on the chart of gold. But obviously, this retracement is not enough because gold came down, took support around 4,000 level and gold recovered. Now we can see that gold is trading around 403536 area at the time of recording the video. Obviously, okay, correction is important. Okay, we have been discussing about a big correction for a long time, but the problem is that the correction, okay, is not enough. This is a daily chart, and you can see that, okay, the correction that we witness on gold is nowhere to be seen. We need correction for the at least for a few days. We need a drop of at least $200 to $300. But problem is that, okay, there is no sign of correction yet. Until then, following the trend of the market is the only solution. As we have already discussed yesterday also, that gold is trading in such a level that buying and selling have become both risky. We cannot sell because gold was super bullish. We cannot buy or we cannot go for a new fresh swing trade because gold is trading at a record high. Anytime market may come for a reversal. But fundamentally, okay, we do not have any news or indication also. If you look at the market sentiment right now, you can see gold poses record rally. Gold is around 4020 per ounce on Thursday, halting its record-breaking rally amid likely profit-taking and signs of subsiding geopolitical risk. Gold falls on possible profit-taking. So the move that we witnessed here was just a profit booking, and profit booking is part of the game. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy right now on gold, you can hold your buy with your stop loss below 4,000, as I have already said yesterday also. Okay, this is a market where you buy at retracement. So if you have any buy, you can hold your buy with SL below 4,000, because many of you have been holding gold from 3,500, 600. So you must be very happy. So hold your buy with SL below 4,000. If market drops below 4,000 area, then it's better to exit from your buy position because market may come down for further correction. Until and unless gold is trading above 4,000, you can consider that gold is more or less bullish and gold is about to continue the upside. Okay, so 4,000 is the level. Okay, and it's a very crucial level. So where are the trading opportunities then? So during the day, okay, if market drops, if you see that during the US session especially there is a heavy selling pressure, then we can look for a sell position below 4,000 area as well. We can go for a sell below 4,000 if selling pressure is very high. The next best support on the chart of gold will be around 3941, 3940. This is the best support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If you see that selling pressure is not very high, then you can also consider a buy around the middle level of 3963. So during the US session, observe the market. If selling pressure is very high, we can go for a sell below 4,000. We can target at least 100 pips. Keep in mind, okay, it may be risky also. Okay, so if you do not want to take any risk, you can avoid. But if you want to take risk, okay, if your risk management is good enough, you can go for a buy position. And as a day trader, you can look for buy position on 394145. This is the best support. Okay, this is the best support on the chart of gold right now. And if the selling price is not very high, then as a day trader, you can also look for a buy around this middle area, 3963. This middle area. Okay. So these are the two support levels if market breaks 4,000 level. But right now we can see the chances of market going below 4,000 is less. Okay, already I have uploaded in the WhatsApp community also that, okay, if you have any buy, you can hold your buy. So in the morning, okay, we were expecting gold to break this particular area, 35, 36. So if you have any ongoing buy, if you already have taken a buy, you can hold your buy, because as we can clearly see, though there was some profit booking here, gold is trying to continue the upside here. So you can hold your buy position. If you're looking for fresh position, if you have missed the opportunity, okay, then it's better to wait. Okay, it's better to wait because the same level, when 34, 35 will become the new support. See, here the previous support was working as resistance, later on the same level will become the new support. This is the resistance, it will become the new support. So when market will be taking support, or if market takes support around 34, 35, you can look for a buy position. But today, okay, today the market may be a little bit risky, okay, in comparison to yesterday, because okay, market may not give us some clarity, okay, because for the last few days gold was just breaking the previous high and it was going up. Okay, so today, okay, for some clarity, okay, we may see a sideways market, and if gold breaks 4060, then obviously there is no doubt that gold is continuing the overall bullishness and you can look for a buy above it. My dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage is not only a global brand, but it's also a multi-regulated broker, the best solution for your hard-earned money, because many times we worry about deposit withdrawal, isn't it? So if your broker is multi-regulated with top licenses, then you don't need to worry. It's also a member of the Financial Commission, means you also get a compensation up to 20,000 euros, and Vantage also provides insurance up to $1 million. So if you're planning to trade with big capital also, Vantage is the best solution. You can see they also already have more than 5 million users, 1000 plus products are available for trading. So feel free to open your account in Vantage. The link will be in the description. And if you open your account under our referral, you will also get access to our WhatsApp community where I post daily. And my dear friends, this is how our WhatsApp community looks like. You can see that I post regularly here so that you can become a better trader and you can take some good decisions with trading. So the joining is simple. You just need to open your trading account in Vantage Markets. Okay, under our referral, everything is mentioned on the description box. If you already have an account in Vantage, you can simply switch to our referral program. Okay. But if gold fails to break 4060, okay, and you see market trading in this range of 4060 4000, then we may see a choppy market for the next 1 or 2 days. Okay, so the next move of gold is going to be very important. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends. So this is the range of the market. As long as gold is trading between this range, we may see a choppy market. To continue the bullishness, gold needs to break 4060. If it breaks it, then obviously gold will be continuing the overall rally that it has been doing. Okay. And today, as a day trader, okay, you need to be a little bit cautious, little bit careful. Unlike yesterday, the trades are going to be riskier. There's a chance that you may be trapped. If you have any buy, hold your buys. And in the daytime, if you see market taking support on 34, 35, means when the previous resistance will become the new support, we can look for a buy position there as well. Okay. And taking a sell position at 4060, okay, is risky as of now, but if you see that there is a potential, you can go for it. But otherwise, I will not suggest you, because if market hits 4060, then it will be obviously trying to go up again. So be careful today. Now let's talk about silver, XAUUSD. So on the chart of silver, okay, things are a little bit simpler. Here you can see that silver is also trading in a range right now. So on the chart of silver, okay, if you're looking for a buy position, okay, then I'll suggest you, let silver break 49.12. Okay, if it breaks 49.12, then we can look for a buy above it. But as you can see right now, that volume is low. So volume is low. So if market forms a big green candle, then we can go for a buy at breakout. But if you see that silver is going up with same volume, then it's better to avoid buying at breakout. Same strategy. So right now this is the resistance. Later on 4912, 4910 will become the new support. So later on when the same level will become the new support, you can buy at pullback. Okay, buying at pullback will be safer in comparison to buying at breakout. And as long as silver trades in this range, so it will be choppy and it is better to avoid. If market drops, we can look for a buy around 48.00 and 48.25. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy on silver if market drops. 48.25 is a minor level. Okay, in this situation where volume is low, we can expect the minor level also to work. Otherwise 48 is a better level to trade. and you can see that the best support, okay, the best support is around 47.30, but chances of market coming to 47.30 is very less. So we are expecting some buy position around 48 and 47.25. But right now in the situation, chances of market going above 49.12 is very high. Keep in mind, okay, if market forms a big green candle, we can look for a buy. Okay, otherwise buy at pullback only if you want to avoid any risk. Okay, and for gold also, as I said, okay, 4060 4000 is the range. As long as gold remains in this range, market may be choppy means little bit confusing, means directionless, too many spikes. Okay, so let's wait and watch.